Today, we're gonna be drawing Dora from Dora the Explorer. So let's dive right into today's adventurous and special episode. Hi friends, welcome back to Shero's Crafts. Today, we're off on a creative adventure to draw Dora the Explorer. Grab your crayons, markers, pencils, and paper because we're going to explore the world of drawing. Can you help us bring Dora to life with your amazing art skills? Let's go on this adventure together. Ay, vamanos! And guess what, friends? I have some super exciting news to share with you. I just won a medal in a competition. Woohoo! Was that too much? Nah, I'm just hallucinating. It's my excitement. And anyways, now let's pick up our black marker and start drawing Dora the Explorer. Isn't that so fun to sing? My sister used to watch this so much a lot when she was younger. And wow, friends, we did it once more. Thank you so much for 282 amazing subscribers. You're the best crafting crew ever. Your support means the world to me. Let's keep growing, creating, and having fun together on Shero's Crafts. Onward to our next adventure. And a fun fact is that I was reading your comments in the comment section the other day, and you guys also had the idea of drawing Dora. There were plenty of comments just saying, please draw Dora, can you please draw Dora in your next video? Can you please draw Dora the Explorer? And I was so happy to read your comments, and I also hearted them. There were plenty of the comments 10 plus 17, that would be 27, and then minus 4, and then plus 3, 10 minus, and then 15 plus, and then minus of the point is that there were so many comments. So yeah, real Shero's Crafts family here. But now let's get back to our drawing, and we've already drawn her beautiful hair and her cute little bands. Now let's draw her sparkly eyes. Draw 2 semicircles for it. And believe it or not, Dora's bob haircut became a major fashion trend among young kids in the early 2000s. Her look was so iconic that some kids even went to hair salons asking for the Dora cut. And did you know that Dora's name has a hidden meaning? The name Dora comes from the Spanish word exploradora, which means explorer. So Dora's name literally means explorer. Isn't that so cool? And happy September to all of you. May this month be a great adventure for you, just like Dora. And I'm so caught up in the schoolwork because my schools have started and it is a bit hard to upload videos on YouTube, but I'll still try my hardest to put out the best content for you guys to see. And now let's move on to Dora's magical backpack that is so helpful for her on the way of her adventures. And also comment down below what adventurous and amazing character I should draw next. And thank you so much for giving me lots of love on my latest video drawing Super Mario. It just feels so happy looking at my videos go viral and crazy. And oh my gosh, it is time in the count of 1, 2, 3. Yes! Finally! We have now reached till the half of the video. And if you're watching till here of the video without skipping, then you're truly awesome. And I love you guys so much. And that means that it's finally time for the emoji comment below. I just made it up. But anyways, which emoji should I pick this time? Oh, comment down below the backpack emoji for Dora. And now, let's move on to Dora's hands. Did you know that Dora's hands are like a magic paintbrushes? When she touches something, it turns into a different color or even changes into something new. What do you think her hands would paint today? And I really like the little knitted pink flower on the table since it matches so along with the background. And this drawing turned out amazing and perfect. So please watch till the end of the video to see the grand reveal. And who is your favorite character in Dora the Explorer? Personally, my favorite is Diego because he helps in rescuing animals and it's such a good deed. What do you think? Drop down in the comments down below. And now, let's move on to Dora's vibrant orange shorts. And did you know that Dora was initially conceptualized as an adventuring rabbit named Tess? The creators decided a human character would better connect with young audiences, which was a great choice. And now, just look at Dora. She's so popular among all the children. That's an amazing history. And now, let's start drawing Dora's adventurous legs and shoes. Okay artists, we're so close to our today's Dora Special Adventurous Jungle Grand Reveal. And I also have a question. If you could go on an adventure with Dora, where would you go? Leave your answers in the comments below and maybe we'll draw that next time. And it's super amazing that Dora teaches kids Spanish while exploring. She was one of the first animated characters to encourage kids to learn a new language on TV. And you must be wondering that how does she do that? Well, Dora frequently talks directly to the audience, asking for help and pausing to wait for an answer. She's one of the first cartoon characters to truly make every kid feel like they're part of the adventure while learning. That's such an amazing concept. And as I say that, we are now finally done with the sketch of our adventurous Dora. But you guys know me, I don't like anything without color. So let's add some color. And for it, let's pick up our acrylic markers. But the table doesn't seem right to me. Oh, now it does. Just look at the vibrant screen. Colors just make everything come alive. And now on to our favorite part, coloring. And now to coloring Dora, let's pick up our pink marker. Now let's do an adventurous and spectacular magic. And my dear friends, let's do the magic together. 1, 2, 3. And boom! There you have it. Wow! Dora is looking super adventurous and special. And now I present to you today's Dora Special Adventurous Jungle Grand Reveal. Well, I actually like that accent. But now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the grand reveal. And please tell me how you liked today's adventurous drawing tutorial. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share to your friends and family. Okay, for now, bye!